a neat little birthday gift that my cousin got me. It is the mini waffle maker, and we're going to use it to make a couple of different things. But when you unbox it, it does come with a little manual that also has some neat little recipes in the back. It has the classic waffle using biscuit mix, corn muffins, things like that. So we're going to do just a couple of things here, but I love the size of it. It's perfect if I need something quick to get in my office to go to work and still have breakfast, or even a quick lunch or a snack. So one of the things that I like to do is I have one egg here, and I've mixed in cheese and ham. And I'm just going to give this a quick spray. Then we want to pour this in. And be careful with after you start adding things, it may not hold the entire egg mix. And then just drop that down. And we'll give that a few seconds. Okay, we'll go let it cook just a little more. It gets hot really quickly, so it doesn't take long at all. Okay, just check the bottom. I want to give it a little longer. Make sure the egg is done. Alright. We'll let that cool off. And then real quickly I have pancake batter also. I'm just going to drop some of that in. It's a little thick, but that's okay. One thing about the waffles and pancake batters, I did try it once putting some blueberries in it, and it's really so small. My blueberries were pretty large. I didn't think it worked out very well myself, but you can do that. You're just going to have a few berries though. It does not take the little pancakes long at all. Well, as you can see, it didn't take the little egg dish long either. Usually I can get a couple of these before I have to spray it again. You may not have to necessarily spray it, but because of all the cracks and crevices, I would rather go ahead and spray it and know it's not going to stick. Yeah, see, that one's trying to stick. We'll give that just another minute. You can see the ham and cheese in there. Looks delicious. And tastes delicious. A little more. I like them to get a little brown. I like them to get a little brown, but now that's done, as you can tell. But I just want to get it just a little brown. Alright guys, so I just love this little thing, and I wanted to show it to you in case you hadn't come across it yet, or like me, you want something quick so you can, get out the door in the mornings. This little thing is fantastic. I think she got it from QVC, but you could just Google mini waffle maker. So I hope you guys have a great week this week, and I'll see you next week. Bye.